Have you ever seen a waterfall that bleeds? Yes, bleeds. In the coldest, whitest, and most lifeless place on Earth, Antarctica, there exists a waterfall that pours out bright red liquid, looking just like blood spilling over pure white ice. Scientists call it blood falls, but what flows from it isn't blood. Or is it? This bizarre mystery has puzzled explorers for more than a century, and what lies beneath the ice might change how we think about life itself. So sit tight, because what you're about to discover is one of the strangest, creepiest, and most fascinating secrets of our planet. The year was 1911. A geologist named Griffith Taylor was exploring the icy wilderness of Taylor Glacier in East Antarctica. And there, in the middle of this endless white desert, he saw something shocking: a red waterfall pouring out from the heart of the glacier. It looked as if the ice itself was bleeding. At first, scientists thought it might be red algae or even iron contamination, but no one really knew for sure. And the deeper they dug, the stranger it got. Decades later, with advanced technology, researchers drilled beneath the glacier. What they found hidden deep below was astonishing: a sealed ancient lake, trapped for over 2 million years beneath thick ice. The water inside wasn't normal. It was 3 times saltier than the ocean, had no sunlight, and no oxygen. Conditions where life should not exist. But somehow, something was alive down there. Inside that underground lake lived microbes, tiny organisms that had survived in complete darkness for millions of years. They didn't need oxygen, they didn't need sunlight. Instead, they fed on iron and sulfur trapped in the rocks around them. When this ancient iron-rich water finally reached the surface and met the air, the iron oxidized, just like rest, turning the water blood red. So what we see flowing from blood falls today isn't real blood, it's ancient iron-filled water carrying the story of life that refused to die, even in the most impossible place on Earth. But here's where things get even more interesting. Scientists believe blood falls could help us understand life beyond Earth, because if microbes can survive without sunlight or oxygen beneath the frozen glaciers of Antarctica, then maybe, just maybe, life could exist beneath the icy crust of Mars or the frozen oceans of Europa, Jupiter's moon. In other words, this bloody waterfall in Antarctica might hold clues to alien life. Just imagine, the same type of life that thrives in the darkness here could be hiding somewhere deep beneath another planet's frozen surface, waiting to be found. Even today, not everything about blood falls is understood. No one knows exactly how that subglacial lake formed or how the water keeps flowing despite being trapped under thick ice for millions of years. Some call it a scientific wonder, others a symbol of life's unbreakable will to survive. But one thing is certain, even in the coldest, loneliest corner of our planet, life finds a way. So what do you think? Is blood falls just a natural phenomenon? Or could it be a glimpse of something far greater, something otherworldly? If you enjoyed uncovering this frozen mystery, make sure to subscribe to Top Facts English, because we bring you the most mind-blowing, mysterious, and fascinating stories from around the world. Thank you for watching, and remember, the world is full of secrets. You just have to look closer. This is Top Facts English, signing off.